Feeling low on confidence and self-esteem by those tiny flakes constantly falling on your black dress? Well, dandruff is something that can hurt your behavior in public. Dandruff is also medically known as seborrhea, and this condition weakens your scalp primarily due to poor hair brushing, stress, and dry skin. Causes of dandruff. Dandruff is caused when a type of fungus called malassezia begins to grow on your scalp. However, this results in scalp damage and causes severe dryness. There is another type of dandruff wherein your scalp begins producing more oil, and as a result, dandruff appears to be sticky and oily on your hair. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Treating dandruff at home requires a way in which the ingredients must be mixed. Once you have mixed all of the ingredients in the right way, you can go about applying them. ACV is said to be one of the best natural remedies to treat severe dandruff. However, there is a prescribed way in which you need to prepare the paste. Here are some easy steps you need to know for preparing apple cider vinegar. Preparation of apple cider vinegar. Add some apple cider vinegar to water, equal parts, and keep it aside. After washing your hair, apply the mix to your wet hair. Gently massage your hair with the mix. Leave to dry for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Coconut oil with lemon. Coconut oil is said to keep your hair nourished, and when this is mixed with little lemon juice, it can cure dandruff. This is also an easy home remedy to get rid of those tiny flakes that pull your confidence down. Follow these simple tips and get rid of dandruff permanently. Preparation of coconut oil with lemon. Follow these simple steps and get rid of dandruff quickly. Firstly, you need to heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix it equally with some mixture of lemon juice. Once this is done, you can apply this to your scalp and massage your hair gently with it. After this is done, leave it for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with some shampoo. Note, this is one of the easiest ways to get rid of dandruff on your hair. You need to keep in mind that all of the above listed procedures need to be followed in the prescribed manner. Green tea. Green tea contains a lot of antifungal properties, and it is an antioxidant that can restore the health of your scalp. All you need to cure dandruff is by applying some cold green tea on your scalp, and you can witness the difference. Preparation for green tea. In order to get rid of dandruff, green tea can be used by following these simple steps. Firstly, you will require 2 green tea bags and some hot water as the major part of your ingredients. Then you will have to put the green tea bag into the hot water for 20 minutes till the decoction dissolves in it, and then allow it to cool. Once it cools, you can apply the green tea onto your scalp and let it dry for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, gently rinse your hair with water.